Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio and loading the exact place you will theme. This sets context so you don't rework later. Once done, collect a coherent color palette, pick fonts available in Roblox, and import any reference images into the Assets folder. Make a new screen GUI and place it under Player GUI to preview changes live. You do these steps now because establishing assets and a live GUI lets you iterate quickly and prevents mismatched styles down the road. You now construct the visible pieces. Add frames for panels, text labels for headings, and image labels for icons. Size and anchor them so they adapt to different resolutions. Once done, use UI list layout or UI grid layout to maintain spacing and responsiveness without manual tweaks. Make a module script that returns a style table with colors, fonts, sizes, and corner radii. This is why you centralize styles. It lets you change the whole theme by editing one file and keeps consistent. You finish by wiring the style module script into each UI creation script and test the theme in play mode across devices. Once done, verify contrast and readability, tweak font sizes and padding, and ensure anchors behave for different aspect ratios. If something breaks, make sure to check UI scaling settings, z-index overlaps, and that heavy images have fully loaded. Often a missing asset or incorrect anchor causes visual glitches. Finally, save versions so you can revert if a change goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.